Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today is February 5th, and I think that puts us at the 36th day of the 100 Days of Art Challenge. And so today I'm going to look at making a card template in Photoshop that you can use for a variety of different cards. I made a whole bunch of different Valentine's cards to sell at the local art gallery here. And I just wanted to show you the template that I used to do that. I'm going to have to do a voiceover because I just recorded this video and for whatever reason my mic did not work. It looked like my computer rebooted for some update, and when it rebooted it changed the mic settings. So anyway, all things normal. So what I'm going to do is just hopefully be able to walk through this in a voiceover and tell you what we've got going. And so we'll see if the video is actually going to move here or not. Okay, here we go. So I've just got on the left there, we've got a front and a back, or an inside and an outside. And the size that I have here, I made a new canvas at 10 by 7 at 300. And so, you know, the resolution is 300. So what that does, it gives us a 5 by 7 card when it's folded. And at my local shop, the 5 by 7 cards come with 5 by 7 envelopes. And so it works out really, really nicely. So again, we have an inside and an outside. And what I'm going to do is just show you the inside. I think we do the outside first. Maybe we do the inside. But I'm going to show you what both the inside and the outside look like and how it's put together. So we're going to go to the outside first, which would be the front cover and the back. So you could see that, you know, the front cover is actually on the right side and the back is on the left side. Trying to find the first one here. Looks like there's some text in the middle. So I'm just going to walk through these cards. The first two are the only ones that I painted. All of the rest of these are actually done with Midjourney, and so they're AI. So there's some sort of doodle. You know, the left side again, which would be the back of the card, has my business information, my contact information. Easy pie, just put whatever you want in there. And then I just did 5 by 7 images and dragged them and dropped them in. So we'll just walk through kind of what these look like. Several different types of dogs. I went through and did the research on the 10 most popular dogs in my state, and this is what they came up with. A little bit different style on this one, but I kind of liked it. I stretched it out. Here it looks like a yellow lab. There's a couple yellow labs maybe in here. A black lab. So a variety of different dogs that are popular in my area. You can do the research on that. I'm not even sure it's accurate because between 5 or 6 different websites, it was different on each one. There were probably 5 or 6 that were all the same, and then, you know, the quote unquote bottom 3 or 4 were all kind of different. And so, anyway, those are the kind of the generic ones. This one here I did for my younger sister. She loves cats. My older sister is totally a hamster person, so I did hamster for her. This is my mom and dad's dog, so I did one special for them. So anyway, again, it doesn't take any time whatsoever. I mean, the prompts in Midjourney were super fast. Doing this was super fast. This is literally to make all these cards, not even an hour project, and the template was, you know, maybe 10 minutes of that. Okay, these two on the top I did not use in terms of printing, and so they're just kind of hanging out. They're not in, you know, inside of the group. So here is what the inside looks like, and I forgot to turn off. Maybe I will get it turned off here. You'll see the left side is still there. That would not be on the inside. I forgot to turn it off in the layers. But there's just a couple different sayings that I have in here. Some of them were for specific cards, like I did a one-off card for my wife. That one's in there. But all the rest of them you can kind of mix and match, or you can just do a very generic one, which is the Happy Valentine's Day. This one, miss you, wish you were here, for a college kiddo. This is one that could go on the inside if you didn't want it blank. You could be as fancy as you want, or as simple as you want with these. But anyway, this is one that I did for the inside, and I think if you wanted to make it generic, I'm going to put Happy Valentine's Day. It's at the bottom. Usually it goes at the bottom without an image, so Control T, and I can move that thing up there. Just move it up to the top. Now it's out of the darker part. Hit enter and accept that. The other thing you can do, I don't know if I do it here. I thought I did. If you wanted to, you could make different kinds of cards. Like you can make birthday cards or whatever kinds of cards you wanted to. And so if I wanted to do that real quickly, I could hit Control J, which I did, duplicated the layer. Now I'm going to go in and quickly change it, or not change it, but I added birthday and misspelled it here, it looks like. Hit hit enter, and it accepted that. Now I double click it again on the T so I can correct the spelling. Control T here, and I'll be able to recenter it again after my misspell. But the whole point of that is just to show you that you can do any kind of card you want. Now that you have this template, you can do any kind of card you want in just a few minutes. Send it off to your local copy place, and you'll have a card that is custom made to your purpose, to your person, and it's less money than what you could buy a Hallmark card for, and a lot more fun. And so anyway, that really is all I have for the cards. Again, put your information on the back of it, however much that you want, and call it good. So that is it for the cards. Have a great night.